In this video, I'll show you how to change version on Block Blast on iOS and Android. So first we're going to our Block Blast app to check our version. We're going to click on the top right settings icon, going to click on more settings. And here we see that we are on version 5.2.3. And let's say you want to change this version, then we are going to our app or Google Play Store. And in our store, we're going to type in Block Blast. And in here, you're going to click on Block Blast, and when there is an update available, you will be able to do this update by clicking on it, and then you will be updated to the latest version. And if you want to use older versions, then there is no way actually to go back in previous versions officially, but you can download one of the copycats. As you can see, there are a lot. This is called Block Blast, Super Block, Block Puzzle. Block Puzzle, you can scroll all the way down and you see a lot of copycats. These are actually representing older versions of Block Blast. So that is what you can do to change Block Blast versions. So thank you for watching, subscribe.